I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making Tootsie Rolls. Stick around. Greetings my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Big thanks to our compadres Larry and Paul for suggesting this treat, which was invented in 1896 by Leo Hirschfeld, who named it after his 5-year-old daughter Clara, whose nickname was Tootsie. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Tootsie Rolls, as well as suggestions for other recipes that you'd like to see in future videos. Okay, let's make this happen. To make a dozen small Tootsie Rolls, you'll need 42 grams each of dark and milk chocolate, 20 grams of sifted confectioner sugar, 42 grams of light corn syrup, and 6 drops of orange extract. Now, I've been eating the original Tootsie Rolls for a long time, and I never noticed an orange flavor to them, so when I saw a number of recipes including orange extract in the ingredient lists, I had to do some research. Tasty, tasty research. I don't know if it was real or just the power of suggestion, but there did actually seem to be just a hint of orange buried there deep within the chocolate. Have you noticed that orange flavor? Let me know in the comments. You'll also need something in which to melt your chocolate, a spoon or spatula, a zip-top bag, a cutting board, and a sharp knife. Okay, let's make some candy. Melt the chocolate, then add the sifted powdered sugar. Stir it until all the sugar has dissolved and the chocolate feels slightly cool to the touch. Add the corn syrup and orange extract and stir just until everything is combined. Place it in a zip-top bag and flatten it to about 1/2 inch thickness. Let it sit at room temperature for about an hour, then remove it from the bag and knead it until it's smooth. Cut it into a dozen pieces and form them into Tootsie shapes. Wrap them in wax paper or cellophane. And that's it. Okay, I rarely do this. Have I ever done this? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to compare an actual Tootsie Roll with the ones we made today. First, let's take a look at the two side by side. OG on the left, RMC on the right. One certainly looks more like chocolate than the other. Okay, now for the tasting. Let's start with the OG, Slancheva. Really, the only thing I don't like about Tootsie Rolls is that they have a very hard chew, as you saw. The flavor's fine though, not gourmet chocolate by any means, but it's fine. And yeah, just a hint of orange. Now the RMC version, Slancheva. Okay, first off, much nicer chew. Firm but soft. Silky mouthfeel, delightful chocolate flavor. Much nicer than the OG, and that little bit of orange gives it a nice depth of flavor. Kudos to Mr. Hirschfeld, or whoever it was that came up with that idea. You really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. Add the corn syrup and orange extract and stir till just stir. Place it in the zip-top bag and flatten it to about 1 inch.